Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vishwanath. I am going to talk about the secure virtual machine using BeyondCorp Enterprise. So in this video, I am going to talk about how we will step by step guide I'll follow and the process which I am explaining so that it will be helpful to understand. So let's go ahead and follow the steps. So first of all, let me start the lab. As soon as start the lab, what you will do, just open with the open link in new tab, copy the password, log in with that particular password. Click on I understand. Click on no thanks. Click on I agree check mark and click on agree and continue. Then what we will do, just click on active cloud shell. As soon as you the open active cloud shell, what you will do, just click on continue. Whatever process I am just guiding you, based on that you will also follow, so it will be helpful for you to understand and follow the process. So based on the lab instruction, so the code is available in my GitHub repo, so that I'll provide you in the link in video chat. So in the below description I'll provide you the GitHub link to find this script. So now what what we'll do here, just edit the project ID based on this lab. So copy the project ID and put over here and just click on edit and paste over here and select the script. Copy the script and execute it here in the CLI. Click enter, click on authorize. So here three instances will create. One is Linux IAP, Windows IAP and Windows connectivity. Three compute engine instance will create. So we'll quickly verify that whether it is creating or not. So go to compute engine and click over there. As you can see, three instances is creating now. So once created, the next step, what we'll do, so just to check three instances is created or not. Definitely it should create, yes. So to connectivity to your Linux and the Windows instance, so how will do that, I'll explain. So before that we have to create a firewall rule, configure the required firewall rule. Okay, so what you'll do, just copy the name of the firewall rule, what would be the firewall rule, and how to open the firewall rule, let me tell you. Here you type or you can go ahead and click on product and solution, click on all product, then you'll just come on to the networking part, click on VPC network. So here you can left hand side click on firewall. So as you can see here, the firewall rule, let me close all these unnecessary things, dismiss, create a firewall rule and put the name of the firewall rule should be allow egress from IAP. And then what would be the target? So target would be all instance in the network, then the IP based on the lab. So this is the IP range, we'll just put over here, and target all instance in the network will select. Then what we'll do, just select the TCP and port number you have to define over there. So let me tell you where you should check. Here you can check mark and then define the port number 22 for the Linux VM, 3389 for the Windows VM. Then click on create. Once done, we'll just check the progress. Okay, definitely once created it will complete. Then the grant permission to use IAP TCP forwarding, what you will do. So just open the IAP. Here you type IAP Identity-Aware-Proxy. Go there, just click enable API. Then what you will do, okay, go to Identity-Aware-Proxy. So here click on SSH and TCP source. As soon as you navigate to this page, what you will do, select the Linux IAP, Windows IAP, and then okay, just we have to add the Windows service account, Windows connectivity service account. So how I will do that, let me tell you. Let me open one duplicate tab to go to the VM instance. So let me click on compute instance, and then what we'll do, click on Windows connectivity. So as soon as you open this page, what you will do, that here you'll just scroll down and check the API and identity management and copy the service account. And then what we'll do, here just click on add principal and then put the service account here, and once selected, then we'll click on IAP and select the IAP secure tunnel user. Once done, then click on save. Done. So this process is done. Save. Now let me check my progress. So definitely it should. Yeah, it's done. Now let me quickly check the, yes, it's also done. So the all the process is completed. So the below process you will follow based on this lab, but the most of the thing I covered how to do that. And here this process also it is completed. For this process you just add the service account IP, then it will check mark green. Yes, so all done. Now everything is done. So in this video let me quickly explain a little bit more about that. In this video, what you learn and what is the objective of this lab. So create Linux and Windows instance based on my script we will create. Then what we'll do, we'll test the connectivity to your Linux and Windows instance. How to do that, let me tell you. Here you just click on VM instance, and what you'll do, here you click on SSH. Sorry, you just click on the connectivity instance, this one with the public IP RDP. Then based on this lab instruction we'll connect to the VM, right? So let me tell you quickly the process. Yeah, so as you can see the Linux IAP, so this is the one, but here as you can see this is disable the SSH, but how will connect? So for that you have to create the firewall rule, then grant the permission to IAP TCP forwarding rule, that is done. Then what we'll do, we'll go to compute engine Windows connectivity instance, right? And then here, okay, let me try here. So what in this IAP desktop, the configuration details also I will provide you in the description box. This is the process how we'll configure that. Okay, so I'll provide the link in the video below description. Okay, so then once done, then what we'll do, this configuration done, then it will be looks like this. Then we'll follow the process, and then just come on to the compute engine VM instance, then set the Windows password and the Windows connectivity Google Cloud Shell. This is the Linux SSH VM. Also just you can let me show you one quick demo time. So here copy the CLI command, and here you put the G Cloud Compute SSH. Yes. So enter 3 times. Yes. So now it's project Google and this was not found. Okay, what happened? I think the other process we need to follow. Yes, except putty secure alerts. So you have to use the putty, then change the setting, because we definitely it should work, because this is the private IP VM. So we'll use putty, change instance, and you need to click on tunnels, then click on apply, then you just connect with the RDP, right? Then Windows IAP instance, right? So how will locally will able to connect. So all these how you can able to connect this VM. It is very good lab if we'll so these are the objective of this lab. First we'll have to enable the IAP TCP forwarding of your Google Cloud project, then create Linux and Windows instance, test connectivity to your Linux and Windows instance, configure the required firewall rules for BCE, grant permission to use IAP TCP forwarding, and demonstrate tunneling using SSH and RDP connection. This is very important instruction and objective of this lab. If you will clear the steps, then definitely you will apply in your real time project. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.